reaction.
My name is Leah, and I'm going to tell you how to make a chemical reaction. Our three ingredients are baking soda, a glass, well, I don't know how to pronounce it, and this vinegar. The first thing that we're going to do, oh, Robert, can you come here? Can you open this? We're gonna get some of our baking soda and put it in. We can have a balloon or like a blue glove, any color. It works great. Make sure you have something under your experiment, because if you did it in the living room by yourself, your parents would not be happy about it. You want 5 scoops. Ooh. How much was that?
3 scoops.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our last scoop, 5. Next thing we're gonna do is this. We're gonna pour this inside our vinegar. Tell me when there's enough.
That's good.
And then we're gonna grab our glove or balloon and attach it to our glass thing. But make sure you don't get any of the the red line. Make sure you don't get any of like this baking soda inside of it, and then you can pour it over and it makes a chemical reaction. Oh, it might explode or not. Ours just exploded, but we can do it again. Right, Robert?
Yes, Leah.
And